Hi everyone, this is Minnie. Thank you so much for loving my previous video. I want to bring you along with me on my special self-care day today. This morning I decided to finally put up my vision board. I've been putting this off for the longest time, and I've been trying to implement this habit of having at least one special self-care activity per week for myself. While I show you how I do it, I also want to introduce you to a few affirmation practice that you can do as well. So all this affirmation has really helped me to see myself differently, and has helped myself to love myself and accept who I am even more. So let's get started. I am enough. I am all I need to succeed. Now, this is probably the most important and most powerful affirmation that I practice on a day-to-day basis. I have this tendency to think that I'm not good enough, I need to do more, I should be doing more. Because when you say that you're not good enough or you should be doing more, you're putting yourself at a position that is lower than your capabilities. So by saying I am enough, it sort of gives me this powerful energy that I can do so much just because I am enough in doing those things. My strength is greater than my struggle. Whenever I'm struggling, I tend to feel like this struggle that I'm feeling is so huge that I don't have the power to solve it, or I don't have the power to overcome it. But the truth is, we are all capable and strong to overcome any struggles that is hitting at us at this moment. Sometimes we get so overwhelmed and we focus so much on the struggles that we forget to look at our strength. So I invite you to say this with me, that my strength is greater than my struggles. I am worthy. I'm worthy of love. I'm worthy to dream. I'm worthy to be happy. And I am worthy to celebrate my successes. So I know a lot of us think that we need to take off the requirements of a certain traits. You have to be beautiful, you have to be in a certain shape, and have certain looks in order to be worthy of love, or you have to do certain things in order to be happy. But the truth is, you are worthy to be happy. You are worthy to be loved or to love. You are worthy to experience what you want to experience by just being yourself. I am at the right place at the right time. So I know a lot of people around me, including myself, I've been thinking that, oh no, like I'm at this certain age, I should be succeeding like so and so, I need to be achieving X, Y, and Z. But the truth is, we are in the progress of heading to where we want to be. We are at the right place at the right time, because you are on the way to your own success. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and this is my vision board, and I am definitely adding more stuff to it, but I'll update you on my Instagram. Do follow me there. So I want to end this video with a quote from Young Pablo. The healer you have been looking for is your own courage to know and love yourself. So I hope this video inspire you to be kinder to yourself. And if you like any of this positive affirmation, do leave a comment down below and let me know what's your take on it. Thank you so much, and take care.